chicken. Ayan, remove mo yung cups. Then you put it there. Huwag mo kainin yung pedangkad, be. Kunin mo. Kunin mo. Huh? O, mama na magtanggal. You try to eat. Like it? Asim? Kain mo, kain mo. Kain, kain. Wala na, hindi pa yan hinog ho. Hindi na, no, don't get that one. Hindi pa po yan hinog. Eh, wag mo kainin yung ano, gang, yung stem, wag mo kainin. Ang takaway, pati yung stem kinain. Okay, dyan lang. Walang tanim. Okay, sige. Yan, galing naman po. Then you twist. Twist. Yan, spinning. Okay, good job. Ha? Ibigay natin yan. A day in the life.
Day 0. Day 1 starts now.
Faster? Ano ka? You hold this like this. So, look. Kaya pala walang laman ang basket. Nagmumukbang na sa loob. Ay, hindi pa, marami pa. You just get the yellow or the red ones, okay?
Okay.
Not the green ones. Ay, basta ka, Sandy. Hindi yan kinakain, Sandy, ha? Isa pa ng laman ng basket mo. O, pati hilaw, nakuha ng kuya. Okay. Sandy, you got tomato. Dali, come on. Oh. Sandy! You wash your hands. Okay. Other hand, dali, other hand. Other hand. No more. No more. Huh? What is Kuya doing? Sandy, come here. Come here. Apata, 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 apata. Oh, don't touch Sandy. Don't let Sandy touch anything. Ay! Stand up.
Stand up. Wake up.
And you shoot it. Okay, you shoot it. Okay, there. Good job. Oh, another one. You want another one? Yes. Ay, naku. No, no, no. Here.
We see it.
You can see it? You're so small. Twist pa, twist pa. Twist. Oh, good job! Huh? You like corn, mangga? Pero bawal yung farm manager na nakain sa loob ng greenhouse ba? Huy! Bawal ang farm manager na may bit-bit na merienda, huy. Huy, bawal yan. Ano sabi ni Mama? No food kaya sa loob ng greenhouse, huy.
This one, oh. Shh! Uy, 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 here.
Eto, mami, sample ako ng mga
What color is that? That one.
Anong ano?
That one is red.
That one is the red.